and the resulting shape reminds a tropical bird in flight. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zineta and I make videos about wall painting and decorating. Today we are in my living room and this is how I decorated my accent wall for the summer. I wanted to add dark green colors and create a tropical vibe to the room. I added this pillow. I made this head planter that matches the sofa and has those green elements on top of the head. I also have a video about this head planter. I made two paintings with sculpted Strelitzia, also known the Bird of Paradise, with a tropical leaf background. And in this video I will share with you the process how exactly I made this painting. I started with sketching out the idea that I had in my mind. But before that, how I got this idea and what was my inspiration source. Well, I went to a craft store one day and saw this faux Strelitzia, also known Bird of Paradise flower, and I liked it so much that I wanted to decorate my living room with it. But then I noticed that the quality was very poor and I changed my mind. I then got inspired to make one by myself, from clay. So I started this painting project, Sculpted Bird of Paradise on a painted tropical leaf background. I did some research and found some interesting facts about this flower. The Bird of Paradise got its name from the fact that it's made of orange and blue petals, and the resulting shape reminds a tropical bird in flight. There is also symbolic meaning to this flower. The Bird of Paradise represents faithfulness, love, thoughtfulness, joy, excitement, and is also known as a symbol of paradise and freedom. Strelitzia also represent having a good perspective on life. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If so, please support me by clicking the like button and subscribe if you're new and want to see more videos about wall painting and decorating. Okay, this was video for today and see you soon.